This video segment is about making an activity report and or a record, and to do that you click on create, and that takes you to the form for entering in your accomplishments or your activities. So let's choose a date and then an activity. And it automatically defaults to stewardship program. There's other programs that are associated with it, but I'll go with stewardship program. And then on the left hand side there's sections that you can choose. The next section is location, and I'm going to find the location of where my management plan is, or where I plan to make it. It's right in here, and to see it better I'm going to switch the layers, and it's this soccer complex right here where I'm going to plant some trees. Now each record has a point associated with it that ties it with the feature, so it's important to make a point that in this, and it won't allow you to go on without, it won't allow you to save the record without making a point. So I'm just going to click on the parking lot here, and what it's doing is calculating the latitude and the longitude and then the other information that goes along with it. And it's finished. So if I made a mistake, if I put it in the wrong place, like I say, if I put it in the water or something out here, all you gotta do is just click it again, and it'll recalculate. So don't worry about it. Previously in the general, I chose management plans prepared, the activity. Well, if you don't want that to be the title of your map later on, then you can choose another map title here. Otherwise it'll be that management plans prepared. So you can go to attachments, and you may not have any attachments. This is for putting in management plans that you've written, and or a photo maybe that you that's part of the plan that you put on. But this usually comes after you've prepared your management plan and you convert it into a PDF. You can archive it here, and I'll show you how to do that. So you go to a place where you've stored the PDF file that would be your management plan, and in this case I've stored one over here. It's called Maumelle Soccer Management, and I open it up and it saves it in that location and it archives it. Of course, if you want to get rid of it, just hit the X. Okay, the next part of filling out the form is the details. So I'm going to go ahead and put a name in here, and I'm also going to fill out the race and who it's prepared by. It's either prepared by AFC personnel or a contractor. And now you can type in the acres here if you want to, but you can also calculate it based on a feature that you've made, or a boundary that you've made. So let's go in here and make the boundary, and you click create and polygon, And I'm going to make a boundary around it. And all I'm doing here is I'm just clicking. And this is actually making the map of it too. And you can do this in the map viewer as well. Okay, I'm going to press save. And then for the, I'm going to give this, make it a symbol for the area that I drew, and it's open. And I'm going to call this boundary. And then you click update. And once it's updated, then you can close. And now to calculate the acres, all I have to do is click on this calculator and choose symbol, and I'll choose that open area symbol again, and it calculates the acres of that polygon that I drew. Okay, so the last step is to save, and so this is done to save your record. And after you save it, then you can exit from your form. So I'm going to exit from the form and go back to the home. And that's how you create a record.